Sorry I look like a trash can today, but today I wanted to do a little makeup collection slash clean with me video. My makeup area right now is a mess. I have a lot of things to clean up and kind of put away from traveling, from the holidays and things like that. So I thought it'd be a great time to show you guys my makeup collection. It's not this big huge collection, so you know, don't think that you're gonna see a lot of things, but it is what I currently have in how I store things, and I know that that's been requested in the past, so hopefully this is what you guys wanted. Don't think my setup is all that fancy. It's just you know, I don't have like a nice little vanity area. I just have this desk with my background and then all my makeup sits here in front of me. But yeah, let's go ahead and start cleaning up all this, okay? Dirty brushes will go here that I need to wash. So for the most part, my little desk area is clean. I'm just gonna kind of organize and reorganize some things. Also, before we get into this back here, I think I've mentioned before how my husband and I share. We have this one great big room where half of it is his workout stuff and the other half is my makeup and YouTube stuff. So what you see back there is workout equipment. I just kind of want to get that out of the way. But anyways, I'm going to kind of reorganize some of my makeup and I'm going to go ahead and show you that. So here I have dirty brushes, dirty sponges that are to be washed. These are little acrylic organizers. I found these at Dollar Tree. This one here, this big one here, I think it cost me about $15 at a TJ Maxx. These two were $1 and it's pretty much the top part. I definitely want to go back. I definitely want to go back and see if they have a variation of these. I can't get myself to buy any more of these bigger ones just because they're so expensive for just being these little, you know, these little plastic storage containers. These little baskets here are from Dollar Tree. Now I'm gonna show you. I kind of cannot maneuver my camera back here into these, so I'm just gonna pull them out. These are little storage bins from Dollar Tree as well. Let me just show you these. These are little storage bins from the Dollar Tree. This one and the little boxes inside as well. I've kind of organized by foundations. Here I have a variation of colors because I also do makeup on family and friends, and I do get people who come around asking for makeup for their quinceañera, wedding, whatever. And here I have blushes, bronzers, and highlighters. And these are really handy because they are pretty big. They all fit perfectly in here. Just put them in like this, and then in here I have some more blushes, highlighters, bronzers, and I do have the translucent powders. I have the Airspun and the e.l.f. My favorite is the Airspun. And then here I have some eyeshadows that didn't fit in here. All my eyeshadow palettes are in here, along with some other stuff like these collagen mask, which I still have not tried for my wish haul, but I need to do that very soon. I have most of my eyeshadow palettes in here, and then I have the ones that didn't fit in here. And then I have the ones that didn't fit in here. I have Tarte, I have this Winky Lux, I have this Real Her, and this Pure. A lot of my makeup collection has been growing because of the BoxyCharm, a really awesome subscription box. It's $21 a month. I think it's with taxes included and shipping, everything, so you just pay a flat $21 a month and you get 5 full-size products, 4 to 5 full-size products. And my makeup collection has really grown because of that subscription box. So a lot of my makeup is BoxyCharm, and it's makeup that I would have otherwise not tried myself. They do send me things that I do use. I feel like a lot of people are afraid to do BoxyCharm because they think they're gonna get makeup that they don't use, but they do send. I've got a lot of eyeshadow palettes, I've gotten mascaras, I've got setting sprays that you will use. There are some things that I set aside for my makeup kit, for like a freelance type of kit that I'm trying to build. This is a really weird angle. I do feel like a lot of my makeup is really cluttered, so I'm going to declutter that. I'm going to be using these, which I'm excited. These were a really great find. So yeah. So here's just an overview of my little desk makeup area. We'll start over here. I do keep a planner. I like to plan my weeks out and my months out. It just helps me stay really organized. Here I put that little acrylic box you guys saw me put together, and there's the other one with the lipsticks. And I have my big face brushes, all my liquid lipsticks, and my smaller face brushes. Now on this other side of my desk I have these makeup sponges you guys saw earlier. I have this candle that I got for Christmas from one of the teachers that I work with. She is awesome. This was just such a cute little candle. It's like a little tin and it smells like cranberries. Now, and here's my other, well, first here's this hand here that I got for my 15th birthday from my my now mother-in-law. Then anyways, this acrylic box, I already showed you guys what is in there. And then I have this mirror here, which is held up by a little clippy and a makeup sponge, because if you have kids, you know that they don't like you to have nice things and they like to break it. So that's that. And then of course down here, now I did show you guys this. It's just a drawer where I keep some other stuff, and then down there is just then there's just extra makeup that I have, and then right here what you see is just there are a whole bunch of packages that I have not yet opened from a video I'm gonna make. But yes. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at my small makeup collection and watching me reorganize all of this. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up if you like these videos, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.